Enianum na dafa yeshe muhamo and I'll cover by GCK show season 6. GCK show ye gifted crafted kids show. Dame jumezi ye jumeza ya shama maframa wa baba da one adum achezi ezime na ya kamfo one. Maka GCK show ana wa jamudo hian adum achezi. GCK show. GCK show. The Mijumezi your collaborators are wasting Mumayazan Brown. Collaborators Nibini, Center for National Culture, CNC, Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly, CCMA, the Ogwa Traditional Council, Ghana Education Service, and a Ghana Tourism Authority Beyond the Return December in Ghana initiative. Your sponsors are wasting Mumayazan Brown. Sponsors Nibini, Pempemsi Hotel, Continental Souvenirs, Nelly's Juicy, Enal Limited, Becky K Restaurant, Touchlight Sauce, Sahara Restaurant, Channel 2, Mama Joe's Foods, Enjet, Purifix Photography, Kita Event Service, Ajimos Foundation, Justina Effa Hammond Foundation, TW Radio, The Great World of Technology, Rabbles Bakery, Baker's Place, The Haven, Stadium Restaurant Annex, and a Coastal TV. Dam Abuafu na we so mama yaze jumezile bro. Pocho ebo twan ha ba ya the jumezile ba shishad.
Don't dance
DJ das GCK show ye jumeza ogu mu aru ebien your performing arts I wanna wasau I wanna watonyum na wanna wakan some na ye wan visual arts contestants so ye wanna word draw na wanna wear craftsmanship inti ye nyu wan batwetwe komo na ye hu ma warrior man in there we ye visual arts contestants. Into the first person, you were Collins the engineer. Collins, what you know about me?
A fun.
But you put my chim as your fan.
Yeah, I'm the box, and it is a chargeable fan.
So it doesn't use electricity.
Right, I'm about to on the pay, come over to me. I said, the Pena is a Yako, or Jim, or Judah, is as a bread, a biscuit, or you to find a pen, and it's too much, and a better was I say, nay, I told too much at your cocoa. I said, I'll be here, Papa, now some juice or here, Papa, Wayaba. Without peace, you cannot move. Without peace, you cannot live. Until your mama's name, Asomaji, onto Montra, now your mom or dosso onto no unsure Abrabum. Binum. What that we didn't say, we prepare the over Mazin if you were to the Wasser Kaka, or hospital, no, if you were to know you. Visibly, a so power, one sent to me. That shows that we have a lot of things to do. In Tiama Mazin, the Enya Krano, from the daybreak in the Abba Mazin if you to Nasrach or Yanko, Ibizun Como, Inya Abrabe, if you didn't whoopee, was a Junipia, about how I said Junipia, Tiafanta Mekan, a Junipia. About into say a drink and also crack. Say, Sikeni, India, Mobidea, you don't have it. It will be sir. Ewo. If you was car, this hand up me too. That's how life is. And if you was also in Isika, no, into your mama's so that the Caribbean and put Madame over. You should appreciate it. Your mama's in the so that into my Abadoka Tampado. Bison day, you put the drawing like a corporation. Do drawing is like a training. Abandonment was someone papa. Mason is the Omar bin Abdallah. While you two find the premier Abatin Asiza and yes, or Jumiza from you to Bruno. ibu hu no o yekese fe na hodo wo Ghana but igwa yezi wo say GCK show nti nemje do no ho nyere dos ye da yesi mo ba bi na za wokutu oye aze hunu no anu no gu sikase o woni tim ye na ye ho mbra ye ba ye be de hunaji etum na kire na zuma
Mido, you're not Biana. Uncle Fatty, you have a bit so every time upon I say, baby, she. Mangashi.
Junior! I'm saying so enough for me, dear, no.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm used to it, why? My wife.
Down Yankana wa.
Ah, sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. Wow.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I
right so we am akwa bebim dam is capability that so kwere no e ba bo hwe aye ma from of ability to no pimeze wotumozi abobo aze enfida ma from pe ho yo wotumoji menka be enfida na wotumoji aso mo na abobo aze enfida no wo hya ase no ma me mudu hu no because last year am start am monitor why hu no jimeza wotumoji nti papa na pa oden yi ma wo ya de na wuti na metumi hu ezino kita understand why the okita wala kobra pizza the Kobe pizza no the pizza didn't chow with in the pizza wala to fa Kobe pizza mo acho di mahino
nebe yo baz na adum ahwe na takashi hu ye
what the takashi fa from
try some can say
the for takashi if I'm big
it will be a new azanka kraka
no experience what the experience now
oh adum na zida menzamani ya kan ba ya mi sure
right the man Rama
Passes.
hey how you with that somebody take you na India obi abepi na master p Rama p nti master you chief servant in service hey Kobe pizza Kobe pizza chief servant in service no Rama p so Pierce is also the team member. And I say, America too. Rama Mensa, so the number has there. Ever share or ye show him if you don't know him. Ever come, Bosoma him,
This year, bay and 3rd year.
No, something you would seem to 3rd year than it. I feel could be a Bakamasam, I feel be like a mass, I feel but until ready. Cobra. Abedin say I said the mejumeji baba bazi na abedin say to the mezzanine or say GCK show gifted craft kits and here
gifted crafted
GCK
show okay so ya do bazi ase wa kwanya ozamen akwenye masanso meshia igwawura osabare ma doctor otodo ebien nyame insha na nimpemfo nya nyame insha gwa mpemfo nya jumezi or the ya shase wo commander ekitechi commander
okay
yan 7 years ni ti ya shase commander the following year nya kisi chiase in surgery that commander these are communities our commander obaka 3 ya ba in sudo broni bi ayin sudo commander kisi the same thing be 4 ye broni bi ma mi na peshi bi na chim ewofun ya kon be 5 na emegwe na 4 no keyism na your friend my talent my talent na come my talent and ya ajero hen adom acheze nti 1k your friends and when you as my talent ye begwe na ye honam sesan be gifted crafted kit GCK show o send Ghana ye talent obi afido on nya asaw and drum to anwen sam kan on Ghana ye feed your talent but throughout the journey you who the amboframa obaza adum when nsanu juma nsanu acheze bring friend visual art my work we feed away on your performing art and the GCK show no brought the name so that ye nyadam mboframa na wo ni so he has a creative art talent and on ye performing art pe nti ehwe mboframa wo tonjom wo saw wo kan winsam wo preach stand up comedy no wo drawing bead making craft wo boti ni nyina wo jumezin nti on ntinye gifted crafted kit GCK show you do last year and last 2 years na ye call ho so nti we've done Volta region ho and this year yeah western region Takwa na ya ke Volta region ho season 2 na ya begwe season 7 yeah be nti jumezin ze oyegwe ha no obejina ya kodo ebohu hen road map na nzama ya waye wogwe ha
Oba me san me bisa asami ebi white na haro monkodo so ti boko kodo ende opro okudu ebro na otum ebu ni ye nta me nta tena ha so la oda me ye start me do me why there pere na ni
okay so the route was basically commander I started I think said there were moframa wo ho pa ekitechi ekuro moframa wo ho pa ni sentineze echi ebosho aka so I realized that these kids have been endowed by divinity in various ways so obaze amona acheze wo kwana huru bebre and that started it and the core thing was also to care parenting so one major cardinal thing about our project is children don't come alone you need to come with a guardian and also realize that this will be everybody looks at outside the community they would always want to look outside their comfort zone for assistance to solve their problem so we realize that the tenet of our show is one to raise these children mentoring them with people within their environment that they can look up to good men nkofo hono busuo wo ben wona was we bohu de eya tumaye ntimusumo tumaye yazidam kofi na ben hon no wotete wan enya hona aduma acheze ne pe but kwana ho oboboa ma hon mantem hona ebusuya hona ma na wo mu sinto wo mu etum wa afado na wa asesa wae nti ono no osam de ye fadam jumezimbo aze obazo sunzi enwemo it has been an amazing journey now kwanaze oye papa nti ka GCK show ayejido hen adom acheze ome ye hwe GCK show
hen adom acheze
ono no odedo na bebi ebekobia na menjido nti ome ye nkwa ho na manim se
na eba jira ho na eba
do se ka GCK show ayejido jojo menu nana na juzi yako northern region so we femti ya tamale kotwa visibility tamale for trend as ya ka GCK so ya jodo na wo mpini ti ya kwade ebohu road map ni ya be sigwe ya na ya obaz be ya me
Kobra ability da so ko beti so ntumi ko tele mo promo yi nti ye hwe road map ya tu e de shede me de ase ye kwa
okay nti ye hwe this year ye wom na adam makano ya ye Takwa representing the western region yako Volta akeho Cape Coast 2025 yɛbɛhyɛ October 5th ya yɛbɛhyɛ October 5th consider bia yɛ Brofi Edu post office no community center on come na one yɛbɔbɔ nti mo bia the Brofi Edu park no one consider from 5th October captain 14th December. The Adom in charge for the past 2 years Ministry of Tourism Nyame in Ghana man were beyond the return December in G8 project be away. Why endorsing for this is our 3rd year. Into on 28th December we've gotten an endorsement to have a national show where we are bringing the Western region finalists, we are bringing the Volta region finalists. And like Brofi Edu, you will 14th December and we would have their finalists to have a national show here in Cape Coast on the 28th of December. Inshallah. Inshallah.
National one in Cape Coast. Why do you select Cape Coast? Because you started from Cape Coast and
Igweha meet Osabem was Cape Coast would be great again.
Okay.
Yes. So you realize that we trim the back audition. We think that these talents we need to shed light for Cape Coast. And the journey has been amazing. Moframo will feel mantoma. You play we are so there. Igweha so moframa wo ha as a pa wo gweha enti yebe gweha was sent to amabobo bodu hu yebe gweha final son
yebe gweha so but baby between abeg so by venue etum ebe no and
coaster no funny ya to beto coaster we have time one fan of go you share Igwezi angasa na after national show na as we go on
kobersi esa
this have the field
I don't say puma ayo nkoko nti obowe nkoko nti venue ni yesi abete obede mi ase izi akosa TV kira nkene hina wosa butum na aka na ya cream kobersi some doors wona no na ye mo agina amkaka na ya ko ya sabo
mumbozi
na ya hwere ne so off camera no you need to come and say in fe basa no abaka na fe basa abeso ko no abaka di video nti ye fa no ko na ya ke mama you sure that your first year where the wofi is wujuma e wo be we di wujuma no so oh I want to partner with me plan maka or your GCK show why
nti me fi Center for National Culture Cape Coast Metro office
okay
na season 5 no na yem brother Kobna Pizza by enchen obeka jumeza no pedozi ba Cape Coast no asem chere na menye madam yesusu hu na yehu do oyaza obegwa gwa mantem nti yeje pen de yebe so na ya yemfemzi dabwa
nti aka yeje pen na chere the whole FNCNC Center for National Culture onya na wojitum na abente bi alamba na rama wotima
nti ino ye Cape Coast Metro office
okay
na at that time na ye bien
okay
ye 2 members
okay
but ye regional director tin so boy wo kwana wo botundo nti ofano judges aye botunze abeboa jumezi na wo visual arts afem na won so wo boy he ma yenya ebino ma wo boy so jumezi na
rama afekru na jin kana baka ho kobe pizza bay o ka say o depend obobo medmede tuma akodo no yehu the first year na baka hu medmede na hefa so na o di the medmede na kaka ho
nti first year no na oye foforo ma he
okay
na so yehu de our potentials p
okay
o sande yehu de obwa yanu mo frama na wo adoma cheza horo no ma wo boost one confidence o sande
o kaya hunjeji
because
you ko bla bro fungo
o sande wo adoma cheza no home na so sometimes obejina nipa dom enyima yard no oyedin ma honin kakran kakra na yehu de bre kobre no na wo yard pa nti dem jumedi no so ye wo top yard Yes, first year no ye top yard na ye.
First year ni na obewi na wojo ha hon. Ehunu dimezende o makeka hon menya makeka hon sana azi kobna wa ya azi abadin se no overview on the first G na keka hon. Ebon towa nti abaka da na Jacob na ana ma oti waso keka hon. To akara koyi ya na wan koyi. Okoye pa o mde ye hu nzema ekru na ebien bia ye hu de ye ze ka ho ana ye yifi mo beboa and subsequent years ni ye hu the man no or record until today last year day ye hu improvements pa wo beba last year me pere ka first year wasam now you don't have your first year if your first year mo from go to mobile no say ntum kana ho ha ho do mpa ehunu interesting dan na hono da matum tidan asana urabe asisia no all control program ya na yerehwani I be monitoring her time or share so no odi bebe dem hondo sinta ketenkete ababa but going forward mo share no hondo sisia az orokwan was obiara orege bibi ahwe the first attempt mu hono ni minimum owo so because I don't know fair na azi obuto even how to hold the mic impo as part of how to train ti mo hondo ye prof but why azi da wotumo yin deze wotumo da nti ye hwe na maframa no Horenta se wotumo te ba ho wotumo de ba ya ado no se kai or the face ya nti honne you fine interest ho se sie na okoye ya na okoye
no okoye ashasi no yen da bibia na ashasi no yezin kakra nti the subsequent weeks are not or yes no okoye
when I offer na my family na participate no how for so I oba and under to them
portfolio no oba nti me sa member da kobna kan no ye ma mo fama na nkotemba
okay
nti worry ba bia o say de wa ofo ana guardian bi kan wo ho ma oba
all right the personal board is second year until ready kobna young share there if you be me sim ha da ma hin osabema you are fancy kese bi him na tell you are part of the thing one na tell you are not nti de bia I mean the ma bra beka tro him osabema him krom him na tell you are part of krom him na orokon atara wa tumka him na osabema de bia o hye Ukraine ati bia ye bia ye mi ahwe no butum no aso abetum na akwanyim and if him na osabema ne geset impush e kono fada o tuma wudin kita hompon de bia won otumende de bia metami shia because me ankwa e share get no I say bisa me ankwa na pepe akaho ha and I feel happy always muhuna me otumete ne binom so okona wo fada wotum hu oya yen osabarema kobna ye hwe gwayaze ne je ne jaw ashase ne wo yin so de budu esoni kobna ashase wa afeko ne yim de budu esoni men de sisi are kwa ka national one.
Wow. Okay, so I always say I am the proverbial David of the scriptures. Ya kashasi wo sawum ya fanadam na me kepa papa de me betna matna osaber menanyim ma sorry osaber ma matna osaber menanyim enintimaze somumu na not for him. Okay. Na na kwa na edu ozen bamba Igweman maman kada ma asemi emintimaze oye emintimaze maze kodal maze jumezi ko emintimaze enyim season 5 enya na ye to the man money bi da mama kan woni maze waze ka se emintimaze insa na woye enti 5 emintimaze man shira ye mo baby ane from so osani hen patron live patron into October mukoho enyini zinkomo obisa okwadam and be the mark bia mabubo bi osa nyinde yakwadam mekasra ne na asenhyan san makoma baso mukobwa na amenzem wesi igwafo won huni igwa no ho mfoso ana igwa no mpuntu neze yehodo wan hyen mamo kan ame since I yakodom it has been blessing. What say as we go ebre? Ame. another hen jumeze yembre igwe inshrew China or Charin Pa Abba igwe inshrew tamedam igwe inshrew yempere about dwell on how it hasn't been easy but midway here sponsors are igwe inshrew igwe azizana no furthermore the osana some you can call sir it's you I am dabba mu kone nim bia eboso bibia na akọ eboso bibia na akọ na ebesrew sansa na akọ enti osaze nyame shen na nyame ntununkom nyame shen
Osaberma kusata hen osaberma nyame shen kobra wonka ate tum na anana wona metum atwotwe tum na ade be so there a life changing experience. What life? Ababra na epede yes sa yerbesa wa mafamanum nti anti da da mbro funu ban.
Okay, so my main share testimonies then we would realize. Okay. I will start this season 5 original adom ya abofra ba makade or physically challenged.
Okay, I think
or physically challenged. Yeah. Adam Moko when school cotton forms and he was like, say, my baby, for me, seeing his state, I wanted to give him one form for him to come in. Also, I'm not confidence as a man. He infected his squad with that confidence. They were like, wow.
Fancy.
What Shana could do, how original Okasa, how he Wama, Mofaman the Bria, Robert Jumazin realized that answer will be no one confidence, Abaso. Original being really, why a name? Dala Watram, since only an official and voter from the mono or to original domain. He doesn't even know. But his song is the official song that we are using for this show. Here, MC. Our MC Araba has we grow with Jumezimu. You say she's doing law and our and Nabushafone auntie Jeff Justin A4 Foundation okay. Also a friend confidence but Araba say obey show that my papa huni no also obviously impound any muze. Okay, chamber okọ interview for law. I don't know who there, Jumezina Abuan. Also, when there, she has been seeing people, so she was just delivering. These are changes, and I can mention over in Moframa Wobaya when our office one dance there, Jumezin Abuan and Mowayin Akombebre. The mentorship aspect has been so amazing. Last year, Coastal TV men premise, it's a mentorship in Waha. Na Esha Batana, Woodsman Richibe, Batan Crowba, or Apiosika. No so baby siaba no physically challenged kakra or she had hearing impediment na so years in kakra but or visual at or drawing my mena say ntia batani ma say ntia onye ne bamba ye mambo framan obo another we na ne jumezim. These are life changing testimonies in the okan hen jumezi ho a yes
Kobra na watu wacheche so MCA yenhwe na yensa baka wasa mafamile de otumoto yim abra MC ni wetumo aye intro na wie na bata wuti bi no yim otumoto na fi yentum na ehwe oya reader oma menti na fi yentum na yenko enaze me pinye na wetumo ase na oya ho message etum afa do achensem de ne wetumo jida de monkomo ebe otum no orekodo de ma so no onua oya love jesi no so organize etum da ba na pinya kweka wonti e besa ya wosa kan link na na tuma ahye na mom hona da wo to na ka hono pa de male kofi ya da mo bo prumpo da nti na fa bia fa ya start na no go mention ne za na rehwe na ya de na mom pa de o market ya le ye da bi buto esika ko start TV na fi ntum na embo no ho da ma fa
mbonya wo ranko
mbonya wo ranko fa mo hwa asen yem fombo da bi mo hwa asikra nti ya mama je so nti ya bo hwa ya saka ontum na ye baba na fi tumi akwani now kwabna agbo oye arabism what's the best here, Papa? Until I said, you should be to me. That's it. Material law be Alberta for now, currently, oil law.
Mpochonyo, or UCC, oil law UCC.
Hey,
oil law UCC.
The time I was shot, then I said,
no, USS. No, USSR. No result in Pumbe. And it's oil, yes.
Into Echo voter radio, so I know another for 4.
So voter, so yeah, 4. So last year was Araba. Previous contestant, she came as a dancer.
Okay.
About 200, they were in a group, Sky Dancers, or University Primary North Campus.
Okay.
I saw her confidence in her. She was good. Until young done MC. So last year, Ifwa partnered with Araba.
Okay.
And she learned a lot from her big sister,
okay.
Araba. And Araba also learned a lot from Ifwa. She was like, hey, because the experience was shown, so she was very comfortable dealing with stuff. And yes, my voter no ye far MC so ho and sana ye bugway.
Right. Let's see Rahel. I don't know, Mamma. I said, Adasipi, no so or tomorrow, show the midnight. Wow. No, mammy, no so or tomorrow, share. No, Yadasi, Papa.
Mamma kind of Nyamishan. So I would bless Challenge Children's Foundation. Nyamishan Bebre. She's doing amazing work. She's doing so well. Nyamin Chaze. Obion I met her. I think when I was in my season 3.
Okay.
Continental Souvenirs, he sponsor or a coronation.
Okay.
On up, must start one. Ibrahim from one more commander. Bibiara one more print man. I met my antennas were a coronation from a Sumpire FM Naso Continental Souvenirs on maybe on K. The Okana some Okan Nijmezo. So I came in contact with them as well. Nyamisha Bebre, Antanes due to Nyamisha.
I don't know here until
I don't know or my sending my
Susie.
Yes, me sending one and that.
Until you're sure that he's a car, don't know.
Fantastic morning.
Yeah,
don't worry, all over.
Until Kata, I'm some, but the first one I'm carrying, you know. I'm probably tomorrow to you. May you I don't know you so you can have some nephew into me and family. And there your best one call I you time or you in your cabin and me out to me just say GCK show, gifted crafted kids show. Into I don't know about come I say sister Robert chef for so to me say me to me now I'm creating into your mama's in the year now. If I eat a mom nephew into me and what. Into 52 or yen the Mebihun, Yendum Bomber than if you into me in day. You are near Ashri Casa, your mamma than if you to me in day. My brain, it say, your mamma than if you to me, nation he won't cry. Sunday, Equaman, I doubt, song crowd town for you, minimum experience, and what to me now, what to call Cockay. Yet don't be iron, what to me, domain, what to Macassa. As I say, I have benefit to me, it's very, very difficult. I need a domain to make us so easy. Cry. Nti se bi ma no tumo sua da cho tumo buon on man kwan de bibia otum sabi otum no che waje sabi ya je nchira aikwa akoko ho ana sabi aikwa aka sha but ohia that least ebo mazina fi etum na achira waje no wo certain things nti mo wafa no akana asabi de se ya akokuduru gina domain tum kasa nyi shira fi oyankwa akoso ho sende you get abenti I had a show. You get so you get what are you feel? You get only a few. Into all these things are come home or back home or tomorrow. Na your minister, no my impa, yeah, I had for until or here papa, there but mustn't if you to me yet. Na to me into your share nephew and try him from a bonodo was the automotive sim. Na was to me Yoko Mary Abo Mammy, Yambra or yes second year now you have a yeah, Yambra second year. You won't first year, second year to a by you. When dead in the PH master, another nature for man or to work.
Not in the mass, so the second year your core communities into this I can na or your last year your call brofie do the attendance bar so pan she so na your stage number was different.
Wow.
Wow.
Never told me
them
that.
Them times you won't coastal TV so
Yeah, up coastal.
I'm part there you made dinner calling me pan or course.
Cinema, yeah, mom for me. Or bonds and maybe a brofie. So the brofie thing was so amazing. Yana go in brofie. And yenim the subrofie ye igwena ko igwena ntin. Mo igwe bia own challenges. Now I bring my family out send the schools here residential areas yan kan them when I will feel now would say chi come brofie no ko to brofie when I deja how when sin tote. Brofie mo framan ba tanoko ketchem there. Hey, me baby Sisi Okasa, there, they've gotten to be challenged. Say, hey, it's a some many them coffee na gina stage. Do not me as a person not tell them and also there are a lot of diasporans was it Jumeziachi. And last year, shout out to Nanette, Sarah, Tracy, Steve, Behaving. These are diasporan communities. Here Jumezino when you say the bar to what be now what the family bezinki town now I shall they make a chrome be young one a young coffee no member what brown and Zama you didn't pay easy no go school in cinema I say us and as go school I am finger pay easy on the flip side once or 50 baby a whole year kakaka now you know what come field but uncle get them the boss ma they also know someone now follow so sound wasn't papa so they appreciated what their parents have been giving them. It's brofie some it's so touching this year so you're there or stage if your mama backward techniques too. He does Tony. He does our stage stuffs, amazing creative artist. He has his own challenges, but when he Kekos from okay, Obia on India in there, a Kegway, Obia a deco, Tonya, as papa, and he has done so well for us on this show. Backward techniques. If you want to do it, persons, one can't put us on a stage in the chin. And yes, backward techniques, they go be a Boston, Yamin show, baby, Yamin show.
Rama, may I show the second year the part awful how can see in the
no was so pan was and then no yet our phone could tempo now back when you want crop for back it's mess I make no second year no you who there na audience na door soon now when you now so what budget one more from Manodo into one ma also when you are confidence into maybe second contestants no oshas ni on there I the ferry kakra china now why shaking kakra boost onya from ne chief no no boama woyaze pa nti woyaze oboy
right boy yankasa but once aka woman say kobra actual this is not just about who can dance or draw it is about confidence unlock purposes, discipline, leadership in your number for academy.
So that I can down in the talent or draw or tone or them. No, GCK show we think say there is more to life than you have the talent. You need things to and some of them what chosen what course. For fast budget, for capital budget, I say. In them be a bad thing. You want from say, more farmer when you want from say, what's your coaster? You million donor I can sponsors, and I would say something about coastal. I'm sure when it comes to coastal, as I'm one sure you would know.
But you on season 7 as a roadmap. Key date to know stakeholders engagement Okay.
So stakeholders engagement who there jumeze yenye nkofo bebre ne yenye on be hia aye ya kan stakeholders are ozikan hen abatan.
Okay.
Mbaframa na wo mu no mfoso babo ho amohan entiko wana asoi hon community bia ma abbo bo nya we stakeholders yan sponsors enti yan engagement ye mbra yenye dam nkuku nya yenye oni zin komo ye kyan ndwumezin akwana ye bafado na meye hia ye meye nsaye be ninya oni yan stakeholders engagement. So these are times we meet with our from our body. And Friday one stakeholder engagement yenye abatanen ena hen sponsors besia ya krana sponsor bi ababa kana or ye jumezi what other on board, what we should expect from them. Ya makonya wanya abatanya azun komo yezi papa enti fide your stakeholders meeting wo brofield.
Well, you can't launch the summer behind, but I say about the time with God. Hey, work with now, work with them.
So them you can or hen adom acheze into nkotu the source of the acheze into mbra yenye hen stakeholders na yezi ndwumezin yezi shawbaze nsa.
Also join the movement. What kind of movement are you talking about?
Okay, so no so mbra yenye one fa hen jeni mu yehu bebe yefi bebe yako bebe yebedu sisi ani bebe yako. So we take you through them akwan inyina do mo bia ozi echi bia ehu
kono ajere obia ni sentira otum na other kado me bo to ni sa kado no nyum na
adom na nyum na yes so that
ti me sanka kono ho am first say me ti
adom na radio
yanko nkahwe adom no nyum no yeba na abotu yanko mo nkere do.
All over the world was not an easy thing. Yesterday your mouth was shouting, couldn't make a sound. Hey boy, but it's such a good feeling today when I can hear them from across the ocean singing this song that the whole world should be singing. All the time, different colors, one people, different colors, one people, different colors, one people, different colors, one people, they got different colors, one people, different colors. Never try to separate the people. Hey, you politician, never try to separate the people. Hey, they were created in the image of God. And who are you to separate them? Bible says He made man in His image, but He didn't say black or white. Look at me, you see black. I look at you, I see white. Now is the time to kiss all away and join me in my song. Different colors, one people, different colors, one people, different colors, nice people, different colors, one people, different colors, one people, different colors. Hey, you politician, never try to separate the people. Hey, you, women man.
There are different colors there. One people, there are some here to Yaba. Come on, my face or others.
Yeah, so we gift Juliet. Okay. Juliet here, Abufraba last year, no, but GCK. So Fibrafio, na eshe now kaka. You can say on Nozi second, brings the first runner up of the GCK show last year. And this year, me no call who. Okay. After a crab of Fibrafio, you could do who. Could you say, I feel. So I was like, wow. Okay, so change of mindset. And on stage, Bosha who be symbol. She did back-to-back performances, entertaining. And it's one of those talents that we are very proud of. We both have Juliet of Brafio. Nyamisha Juliet Ebusiafuna Brafio Finya. Ne trainer on Yanam Zibentum, Nyamisha Bebre.
But you share it was season 7. Wow. That showed the first season, second season up to date. In terms of awards given. Okay, so
I think my first show I did an educational scholarship of 500 Ghana cedis. Then we to chupa nyamiswa ekitechi papa no friend we nyame frempo he did wa last so wa tal obi a onyim nyim nyame shed bebre one on was so yeah last year so 500 or ma 700 or ma 1,000 sponsor Pine Hotel no omomu dazini Pine gave 1,000 cedis I think season 3 was a yes also 4 menyo kase last year Becky K nyame in show Becky K Touchlight Travel and Tours and now TW Nura Chairman Kweku. Last year I gave 5,000 Ghana cedis simple educational scholarship. Yako who yama 3,000, 2,000, almost 12,000 cash prize. Takwa we did 5,000 cash prize. Cape Coast. Yeah. Last year, we gave almost 9,000 Ghana cedis as educational scholarship. This year we are doing, I think we are doing 3,000, 2,000, 1,000 educational scholarship. Aside souvenirs from sponsors, educational materials, these are cash that we put on. The journey has been amazing. We look back and it's quite a journey, but Obaze onzi ehwe mokra na obebi so anya no kodam meken inshallah
oya yankopan ne pia
oya yankopan ne pia
abeye that's inshallah the be anti ebodo two fala so pa onche be mehene mudo na yekura bo ho na wi a ebesa heti ya ba ye kobino ho na kobino sa ba bo twun komo na fi tun ye hunde the sustainability and the way forward of GCK show na ababa kan asam na yetum ne akọ Achaba, you share the third year doing your fata the Jerige na compare the 2 years back. You
see, third year this year.
Yeah.
And so far, no, from team meetings, volunteers in Paya this year, no. You two there, Jumedia, you this year, no, yes, nicer than previous years.
That's what I was at actually for you, and you could hear in the by person. Oh, I see. In terms of habits, I come out and tell them.
Mesa volunteers are here. There wasn't on board. The room Holoma or bear more than more from one fancy from could be. On one cordon previous years. And now, yes, I'm more from an Ancasawa hockey can also pan. Into groundwork, Bibia, my young dead this year. Obey a
so, organization.
Yes, it's safe now. I shall now. Odu October, program now. What about go for you Sundays now?
Right, I travel to work all over October now. Eba boy free do if you have about shares or tomorrow. October is a month of happiness to me. Wow. Because I was born on 1st October. And girl called that man can be young content. And October Busuma Omame, Janka Sanka say, Nephew into October, say, Yang Abomazin, your mama's in as in no fee, young support, young Jina Wawu too. Mamma in China, Ada, GCK show, when I cast about 3 or 2 days, I said it to the Kakados. No. I don't know, I say your bra, we should all support it. Therefore, to people get out of the question. Kala to Triumpo. A trophy, a dead man was a 7 times. Oh, but because I've come to an Ghana. Oh, yes, but so trophy, I could 20 Ghana. But scars are offered for to my double. It's going to 20 Ghana. I watched some para, I shouldn't put some para. But if one I don't to remember. Oh, my boy to an Ghana. Oh, many now, no matter I'm on a butcher. Was I the church now put the baby on my roho? If you hold about 2 hours and I'm a bread. Yes.
Someone missing young worker.
Yes, I should have COVID-19, but
senior.
I always appreciate a pain confession.
I was in because I yes the way I'm brand new to lab. Let
me tell you, former station yesterday. It's a donation to the teaching hospital. Now, me staff at Tinaho. No will be some programs manager. This is a be sending you scared that work.
Thank you.
Do we meet you? Facebook? Oh, my. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 days, bra. And Kofi give us a lot of things. I'm going to be mine. I'm going to be out. Veronica, no back at Telunia, no more care to hold them massacre. Maybe so. Cobra.
But I can't ample. Because it's bad energy.
I'm not a farmer. Maybe. Moon to Mumbo. My carrot, Tranacram Shadi, 2-3 days now, then Tranacram only my command bottle as only for your before. But keep going 2 weeks. But I'm going to again. We should
So I would equate this to human resource. We face challenges with human resource with this kind of people say sponsors people are here back on why but I want to be say my so my way. If it must be done, it must be done well. I am more farmers in a year. Enti agipin there bomb. Many dodo, number, now you late, now I'm far better, now far better. These are frustrating times for some of us moving on this journey. That is the aspect for one of almost so people that I know. Bible say, I hear now come at the meaning same on or done than until we just there, then I can uncle fear. He will help you not to stress you. That say, there are some people who are doing amazing. But then it will bring bad energy to us. People would want to help, and he will help you not to stress you. I can mention human resource and a jingo on bro. Now open the way you say if you want. And a Mabeki, Chamanke, no, but these are people, human resource. They will just be there. No, one more. Nyamisha meeting members. Yeah, colleagues and Mambo. Nyamisha one. My camera was in present. We didn't put no soon. But still, you pay as us a Blay, Godfred, my coordinator, solid coordinator. He has been with me for like 6 years or if not 5 years from Commander. Eyes made by who Wamobi. Amazing person, Madam Dorothy, KOK, Prof. Great, volunteers, Robert President. Now, it's a volunteer at Manka. Wala a volunteer. Now, say, I volunteer when I mean, don't worry, Nyamisha, senior, Nyamisha, the man America cannot is so touching. But when you so because kase can asna aka bibi so asan control yen kan na church dey ya branding ebeje chiraka me start you. That is the normal thing. Yes, you are watching me, you are listening to me. You knew at yen kan da me also akere afre still ogudo papa wasan kom short o nzam na dey chro no bi wasan ko se ye brand the one make ebe from am pose abeka me start you or start you see our son go back come we are moving dam kom share obebem to be part of it yeah ma ebohu ya na esu yeah me sure yeah
be part of the group let's build it together, achieve together, and be happy always. Inti yama waje to be say so pa e boko sustainability ye be so him do na me akola pa be to sustain as in name so say also you have social media handles inti GCK show TV inti me your small letters on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram nina inti GCK show inti show link to be GCK TV
on Facebook, on GCK Facebook, show on TikTok
and Instagram.
Yeah.
And now so that you his guy until you are 10,000 analysts you know ban pa adaba 15,000 na adaba 5,000 adaba na able to na in your demo contact 024 630 6219
on pay.
No,
I don't want you who is it.
I don't want you sharp. I don't want to say. I don't want you 0246 306 219 0246 306 219. After come do. Now, same to remember to look up.
It's like a Benz. He's like you like a Benz. You like a Benz. But one comes in. What's one show? Okay, what? What? Yes, like a Benz. But next time, yeah.
Come here. Your sustainability. Just a brief. No, miracle.
Okay, so to sustain this one, we are looking at in the near future. We are bringing. There is a man or a visual art person.
Okay.
Mpoko introducing Nat. He's a team member, photography, solid. He told me he read of the man in a book. Yeah. It's Menya. And we are bringing Menya Institute of Art. Menya. To nurture these children, they need to be groomed. They need to be keep on working on their talent. That is the visual art aspect of our show. Shout out to RP Art. RP Art, Abufraba, we show Moaba Senoko. Still, she's working on it. David Art, he's from Nkamfwa or Nkamfwa. Meyenko Honibi. Work all year no. Nkamfwa for me say, hey, Volta for me say, hey, I forgot what I draw them drawing here. And or draw when I'm from memory. Waterfall, nice scene. Yes. So for the future, we would want to work on this point. To sustain this, we need everybody on board. Nyamisha and sponsors so far. Kwenye mama bless and sponsors because one way to anything to this side, and we are hoping that one hour when you try them journey and many more who are here to come. Yes, you are coming into Bomazanabra. We say God bless Becky K. Becky K, Becky K has been supporting me right from Commander through this time. Becky, Nyami Sherry, also empathy in action, progress for all. Nyami Sherry, Becky K, and Becky K woho. Nyami Sherry, Chairman K, TW, and now NJet, Nina, Unkrabata, Washe, Senior Nase, Touchlight Stores. Senior Orleans, amazing personality. I guess I'm going to say, Lord, I feel that mentally, but she has been part of this project. Senior Orleans, I'm sure there will be an enjoying Touchlight Fabus, who Kafun and name, I'm sure. Rabos Bakery, last year she came on board, amazing support for us. Rabos, I'm sure. Nally's Juicery. Nyamisho, Nally's Juicery, Nyamisho, Bebe, Monshomata, and sponsors, and I won't logos over 110. Coastal TV, Monko Igafo, we have been there now, share Coastal TV, there is so much change here. Nyamisha Kofabai, Papa, Nyamisha Bebre, when you swazun in your Mrs. Yami, Prof. Nejmafinya, Nyamisha. If you are with Coastal at this time, it means you know the journey, and for you to be here, it was you who wanted to be here because, yes, honestly. But let me tell you, let me paint a picture on the future to you. Coastal is a light that has sustained itself by this time, and it is shining brighter and brighter for where I sit and what I'm seeing. If you are with this brand or if you are now come and contribute. We have 3 people in this. We have the history makers, history writers, and history readers. I leave it to you. Me, I am a history maker. If you want to be a writer, if you want to be a reader, over to you. But be part of this movement and let's push Coastal out there. Namisha responses here. Hey, we are going to mess a move for Mr. Baz, our Adam. Yes, there are some people. Yes. Mamboism, but God is blessing you wherever you are.